Oh, this is a summary of the Chapter 6, Advancements in Distributed Air Quality and Monitoring Systems. My name is Juna. And there are 6 titles. The first title, Introduction. The importance of air quality. Air pollution is a critical global issue, causing health problems, ecosystem damage, and economic losses, particularly in agriculture. Sources of air pollution. Major contributions include fossil fuels, power plants, factories, waste incineration, control burns, and cattle farming, all all releasing toxic agents. Regulations and costs. Laws like EU's in 2008 and 2004 directives enforce pollution monitoring but require equipment, such as gas analyzers, is expensive. Low-cost monitoring solutions. Emerging low-cost sensor networks can enhance spatial coverage and integration with existing systems, especially when deployed on mobile platforms. Features of low-cost devices. These devices often include uh, uh, autonomous operation, power generating capabilities, and adaptable communication protocols, complementing traditional monitoring systems. State of the art analyzes detractor analyzes key elements of air quality monitoring systems, including pollutant data, node architectures, network organizations, communications protocols, and data processing methods. Title 2, data to sample. And this image is the pollutants monitored. These sections list all the possible environmental data sampled by the studies taken into account. Highlighting from the beginning the different approaches to the task of air pollution monitoring. Title 3, Architecture of the Sensory Nodes. Uh, from an architectural point of view, there are some features that can be used to categorize existing approaches. The fact that it's building a semi-custom approach in which different components are simply put together. The use of some commercially available platforms. Some of the analysis papers made use of commercial available platform, while others involve the development of semi-custom hardware solutions. Title 4, Network Organization and Communication Protocol. Uh, this section describes the way in which the various sensor networks have been organized and also explains the connection protocols used in order to achieve the desired data exchange behavior. Title 5, Post-acquisition data processing and achieve results. Post-acquisition data processing and achieve results. Mobility tests and PM10 sampling. Studies show the movement does not significantly affect PM10. Sampling precision and mobile measurements correlate well with static ones. Decreasing PM10 concentration were observed with increasing distance from city centers. Low-cost air quality systems. Systems successfully provide real-time pollution data, send notifications, and displays pollution maps. Using cloud representations or interpolations for higher spatial granularity. Land use regressions models. LUR models predict pollution levels using land use and traffic data, producing high resolution maps that reveal seasonal variations in pollution with higher levels in winter is due to immersion fog, data integration and visualization. Publicly available data from the global sensor network platforms enables collective air pollution mapping at high spatial resolutions. Even at the street level, with pollution visualized by color code dots. Comparative system test. Tests comparing a mobile and the stationary system demonstrate a strong correlation in measured data, even when sensors are placed inside and outside vehicles. Neural network analysis. Neural networks analyze sensor data, direct air pollution events, estimate gas concentrations, log data, and publish it on accessible online platforms. Title 6 Conclusions. Focus on real-time sensoring in order to produce some immediately useful data. Pollution alerting, less polluted route calculation, and so on. Power consumption is a critical issue, depending on where the sensors have to be installed. This aspect has to be tackled. If public transportation is used, there are no registration, but pollution mapping would restrict it only to fixed passes. This limitation could be overcome using some data processing technique, but being able to integrate also procedural random passes, such as the one of the bike sharing platforms, for instance, could help in building much more refined models for air pollution. That's all. Thank you.